So students, now let us see the class activity. Here we have to explore the division of a fraction by a fraction. So what they have done it first, divide the 1 foot strip of paper into 4 equal length. That means they are dividing it by this part you can see here, first, second, third and the number 4. Now how long is the each section of the feet? Now definitely it comes out to be equals to 1 by 8. Now we come to the next part. Again they have taken 1 foot strip, and this time they have divided into how many parts? 8 equal parts. Now they have cutted it these strips into the 8 equal parts you can see from here. Now they are asking how long is the each piece been cut off. Definitely it comes out to be equals to 1 by 8. Now the lay number 3. Now what they are doing it, they are placing this 3 by 4 foot of each in this one, the smaller rectangle which you can see here, which we have prepared it earlier, into this one 3 by 4 foot. And definitely if you put it like this way, you will come to know that these 2 units are comprising of one block, one rectangle, which consumes how much? 2 units. Now in this question they are saying that how many pieces will be required like this way. Now this required 2 units, again this will be also requiring 2 units, this one will be also requiring 2 units, and the last one will be also requiring 2 units. So in total how many units will be there? 6 units will be there. Now we come to the next one. We have to answer these questions as I have given you the answer in all these cases. You can see from here and how the answers are being prepared. Now let us see the class activity 2. We come to a conclusion from the above fact that whenever we divide it like this way, A divided by B, A by B divided by C by D, results comes out to be A by B multiplied by D by C. What they are doing it here, the division sign, they are converting into the multiplication sign, and the reciprocal of the fraction C by D, which comes out to be equals to D by C. Now from here we have to draw the model and support each of these answer. From here we can see 8 by 9 divided by 2 by 9. Definitely what they have done it, they have taken a rectangle, divided into the 9 parts. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 parts they have divided it. And then they are asking for 2 by 9. 2 by 9 means how much the 2 units they have consumed. So like this one, how many units they have consumed it like this one? This is the first unit. Another one is the second unit. This one is the third unit. And the last one is the fourth unit. This one is left empty. So total how many parts I have used it? 4 parts. So my answer comes out to be equals to what? 4. Now let us come to the second B part. Here they have used the number line also. Through number line also you can show your model diagram. So what they have done it, they have taken the numbers from 0 to 10 on a scale. We'll draw the help of a scale, draw a straight line. Don't remove your scale. And then after every centimeter you place the numbers from 1 to 10. Then what they have done it, they have divided all these numbers by 4 because they require 9 by 4. So this results from 0 to this one. This comes out to be complete what? 9 by 4. Now what they are saying, we have to divide it by 3 by 4. Now this unit will be comprising of 3 by 4. This consists of 1 unit. Another, we can have it, another unit, and the third one unit, which comes out to be how many units I got it like this way? 3 units I got it. So my results comes out to be equals to what? The answer comes out to be 3. With a number line or with preparing a square or a rectangle, you can get the answer. Same procedure in the C part also they have done it. You can see from here and you can get the answer.